to jump in really quick to do a plan with me session, and I'm not sure how many of you know this is my year planner, and this is my year sticker book bundle. These are the bundle. I want to show you how do I use this tool and plan my week, and I will in the end of the do a quick live, and in the end I have a very fun giveaway, and I will tell you where to get this giveaway and also answer all your questions. So quick question, how where did you come from, and what did you eat for lunch? Let me know right now. Well, I'm gonna flip my screen and show you a quick walkthrough of this is my year planner and sticker, and show you how do I use the planner. And if you have the planner or sticker, also let me know. I'm gonna flip the screen. I have the top goals of the year. One goal for business, one goal for personal, one goal for relationship. And there's like 5 major steps you can take to make your goal happen. And over here you have your daily ritual. You have morning, evening, and what I'm grateful, and your affirmation. I believe really you have to repeat all this often to make your dreams and goals happen. So since this is undated planner, you can start with in January, you can start in October, August, doesn't matter. So what I love this is I put down what books you need to read, what sense you want to learn, because it's really keep moving. And then there's a note section, there's monthly, and there's body and soul. So that's the dashboard. I just want to quickly show you what all the dashboard looks like to keep you refresh. So each month have a different color theme and also different font for you to just, so it's not all the same all the time. So there's books, things, and notes. And later on, I'm going to show you why this helped me so much. Like since the start this year, my business has been growing really fast because of this planner. And I'm super grateful for this, that I decide to make a planner and decide to stick with it, to use it. And this is probably my favorite spread because it's all pink, and I love the font, and I love these 2 girls. So, and over here is another month, super summary, and you can use whenever you're ready because it's the undated. And this one is the next one, just a girl building her empire. So what I also like is because I give you a lot of space to design. So many of you saying you love the illustration, but you also want space to express your own creativity. And that's what I did, because you see during the weekly layout, you don't have like much illustration at all. So that way you can use the stickers, you can use your own drawing to design your week spread. So that's the other reason I like this planner so much. So that's this one layout. My power is turned on. I love the illustration because why I like drawing those girls and put on the planner. It's like, or sticker book. It's like you have a friendly girlfriend show up each month and give you a boost, like tell you you're good, you're on a track, and you will achieve your dreams and goals. So that's why I like flower too, but I really like the girls. It's like a girlfriend give you a little nudge or give you a little affirmation saying you're great, you're doing great. So that's why I like this. And then in the end of the planner, you have some note page to draw down maybe your password or something really important that you want to carry in your planner. And then some sketch page, you can draw and some coloring page. If you are stuck in a meeting that you don't want to be in, and you can draw. And there are some sticker sheets for you too, since it's undated. So I give you a lot of like elements to remind you birthday, celebrate day off, and we also have another page, important appointment and payday. And this is one page that just cute in like elements stuff. And over here you have a pocket to put your important documents stuff. So that's why I love, there's elastic for you to hold your planner. And really quickly, this is her sister, which is the sticker book. And the girls are similar, but more girls, because it has 400 or 100 stickers. And what I think what differentiates me from other like a sticker or company is I hand draw all of them. Each of them take a long time, like 3-4 hours, and then on top of them, I have designer design them. So that's why they are very time consuming and very detail oriented. You buy a sticker book almost like you buy a book of artworks from Rongrong, because each of them really can be independent artwork on your planner. So by the end of your planner, your planner will be very pretty because they fill with all this detail-oriented artwork. So you have boxes, and then over here are some clear stickers. And some clear stickers, and in the end I have some more like functional stuff for you too. You have this, so it's very well thought sticker book, and you have some powerful quotes to go along with the girls. So that's the planner, that's the sticker book. So this tool is a combo, and this is my planner. So I have been using this for, let me pull this up a little more so you can see a full view. I'm gonna hide over here. This is actually, you can lift it up. When I draw, I lift it up, but right now I don't. So this is a planner I use since January 1st. So I did have my vision board on here. As you see, I have some big goals. I wanna, work with some big name companies. I want to able to go to beach again. So those are my vision board. And I do have some top goals. I have some daily ritual I need to write down more. But what I really want to show you, this page is the May page. So I just did this not long ago. So what books I read, which is 2 books I really need to read, and since I want to learn, and some more monthly goal. I definitely over plan here. I don't think you need to put this many. You can just use 2 or 3, and then that's your personal soul, body and soul. Like I write down massage, run 5 times, and journal 2 times. So it's really up to you. How do you want to do? So here is this week. It's May 17th to May 23rd. I'm going to use my sticker again because I really do a lot of like listing, and then I just scratch use a line. So not super. I don't use a lot of sticker, but I know I should, because like I said, it's a friendly reminder for you. So recently I've been loving those clear, you can see this is the clear sticker from this planner book, from this is my year sticker book. And then I'm just gonna stick here. I plan my week as like morning, as afternoon, and the night, or sometimes I plan as like morning, afternoon, and personal. So big chunk of them is my business. So that's what I do, and that's what I do every day. So business took a big chunk of my planner. And then over here, I do have some meetings, and then I'm just gonna use this circle. You have 4 different color. So I'm gonna use one and put on here because I do have a lot of meeting on here. So, and then over here, I have priority. For me, Monday, I have Ronan, which is my son. He's 1 year old, needs to go to see doctor to go check up. So I do the priority here. So it's a very functional sticker book to plan. You got a little bit everything. And then over here, I like to, on these 3 days, I block out my whole afternoon to do the art creation. So I'm gonna put some girls over here just to show, because I am doing art for the fall release. So I'm going to put my girls here. And then you can see on the side, I have top priority and the habit. This is my favorite part because I have 3 things really keep track every week. Like I run, I drink green juice, and I create art. So I want to track through Monday to Sunday. I doing this every day. And then usually grocery shopping on the weekend. So I'll put the grocery here. See grocery. And then I'm gonna put a girl. Put a girl here. That's grocery shopping. I'm sure you all do much better job of doing the sticker than me. I'm just trying here, getting used to do more sticker on my planner, which is so much fun. And then I also wanna do a nail, so nail polish. If you are a nail fan, like doing nails stuff, there are some exciting things coming. I'm working with Sally Beauty. Currently, we have an exciting project for you that coming in end of the year. So I'm going to put a nail polish here. So yeah, it's not that difficult. It's not very complicated. Mostly, I do a lot of listing. That's just me habit. But I am liking how to use the sticker book on my planner. Also, I did some tests for other. I did this one for the Latina. I really like how colorful and how feminine this Latina is. So I've been doing more, and I really enjoy it. This one is a teacher sticker book spread. So super fun. And that's the easy process I do use. This is my year planner and the sticker book to plan my week. And I want to show you in the end. So I'm back. In the end, remember in the early of the live, I said I have a giveaway for you. Do you remember? So the giveaway I decided to do this time is this. I'm going to give away this coloring page for you. Is a girl drinking coffee, and the coffee said boss. So if you want to get this coloring page, download it, print it out, and color on your own, you can go to my link. Just click the link, and you will be directed to download the coloring book, a coloring page. So that's my little gift to you. And just see. A lot of you had a great launch. I see that. So yeah, that's a quick plan with me session. I hope you enjoy, and I certainly enjoy put more stickers on my planner. And even you're not a sticker person, this planner has a lot of illustration and artwork for you already, so you don't even have to put a lot of sticker. You like the girls horizontal planner. I right now I'm doing vertical just because most of the customer they are a vertical person. And yeah, hi Kayla, you love the planner. Hi, thank you. Can you see happy Hobby Lobby? This planner is sold on my website at shop www at shoprongrong.com, and you can go to my website and take a look. Tokyo. I love Tokyo. I have been there. Thank you so much for joining me the live. And if you have any question, feel free DM me. And if you want this free coloring book, don't forget, go to the link in my bio, and you can download this cute coloring page and color it, and don't forget, tag me. I want to see how do you like this coloring page. And if you want to check out this planner and sticker book, go to my website shoprongrong.com, and I would love to see you there. So I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful rest of Sunday. I will see you soon, friends. Bye.